So I want to tell you a little bit about, or talk with you about, a trial attorney and acting at his or her best at trial. So one of the considerations that you have when you choose your attorney is, are they great attorneys? And really, what does that mean? It means so many different things. And one criteria, I'm going to talk to you about only this criteria, but there are many other criteria. So we can chat about that at another time. But one is to make sure that your attorney can try a case, and try your case effectively, powerfully, influentially, and persuasively. Not all attorneys are created equally in that regard. You don't walk out of law school and think, well, now I'm suddenly a trial attorney. First of all, law school doesn't teach you hardly anything about how to try a case. And then secondly, the attorney has to have skill and experience and the ability and the perseverance to continue to work on those skills throughout their career. It's ever evolving. It is called the practice of law for that reason. We are practicing day in and day out. So you want your attorney to be able to try the case, and you want your attorney to be able to work on his or her skills all of the time. And I say that because I think that is very important. If I were hiring an attorney and I had the potential to try my case. Now, I want them to be able to be good negotiators. I want them to be able to be communicative and tell me what's going on with my case and all of those other things. But can they try my case? And do they have that skill set? So with that said, is your attorney learning every single day? And I mean every single day. You almost have to work hard on your skill set as a trial attorney every single day. So trying a case, being his or her best at trial, is a culmination of a career. It's the culmination of perseverance and awareness of skills, developing skills every single day, 7 days a week. And I do mean that. We don't take off weekends. We learn things, we read, we develop our abilities to influence and persuade in the highest way for the highest good. And that trial attorney is the culmination of all of those wonderful things. So trial practice at his or her best means so much, and that lawyer has worked hard to get to where he or she is. So ask those questions. What do you do? What do you do to work on your skills? And so that lawyer should be able to tell you those things. Do you try cases? Do you win your cases? Do you get knocked around in your cases? We all get knocked around in your cases. If any trial attorney tells you that they win their case 100% of the time, they're not offering you the truth. Or we have to go to war sometimes when the facts are sometimes against us. So it's the warrior willing to go to battle, try the case, and do the very, very best that he or she can with a concept of developing skills on a daily basis. If you have any questions or concerns about trial practice or trial attorney, please give me a call. Bettina, Altizer Law.